So 4-hour flight from the UK, just arrived in sunny Crete and looking forward to 6 fantastic days looking at geomorphology in the Cretan Gorges.
It's karstic, it's got a series of depressions which are produced by solution. We're in the Sfakia River. The students are logging a series of late Pleistocene fan deposits. It's a glorious sunny day, fantastic sections, and their main task is to try and reconstruct how the Sfakia River and fan sequence have evolved in the last 150,000 years or so. We reproduce what they see here. How are we doing?
I'm like drawing, measuring.
Good.
Alluvial sediments of the Mersey, you know, so this great section of there.
Very small plasts.
Those kind of things. I've done that for you. Description of fan 3.
So today we're in the Alingas Gorge, which is just about 1 kilometre west of Sfakia, and in December 2000 there was a very large flood that destroyed a bridge at the bottom end of the gorge, and the students today are undertaking a project trying to reconstruct the size of that flood based on the evidence that was left behind, and they're using scars on trees as a paleo stage indicator, using that to work out the water surface, and from that they can work out the discharge. And then finally they can decide whether or not the new bridge that was built at the bottom of the gorge could withstand a flood of a similar size to the one that happened in December 2000.
First part of the afternoon doing various...
to get the measurements,
Anomalous and low reading. So
Day 4, halfway through the field trip, and it's transfer day. We're taking the ferry from Sfakia to Paliopora, and on the way we're stopping in Samaria Gorge, which is the world famous biosphere reserve.
Is because
the way it seems to be floating around.
Okay, so this is the penultimate day of the field trip, and students are doing their own independent projects today. We're right at the southwestern tip of Crete here, in the Rapinus River catchment, and this is a part of Crete that was most affected by the large earthquake in AD 365, and this part of the island was uplifted by 9 metres during that particular earthquake event. And students can choose to do one of 3 projects today. We've got one group looking at the river response to that earthquake. We've got a second group looking for evidence of the tsunami that was produced by that earthquake, and we've got a third and final group looking at rockfall activity in the upper part of the gorge.
So yeah, so don't worry about it now.
enter the second stage reading, which was 1.14.
Yeah, we're going to do a log there and a log there. Yeah. And then
20. What did you put?
yeah, 3.
Alright, 3.2.
He will do. 2.67. 2.1.
Yeah, make sure it's really nice and clear. It's okay.
As in, it has a gorge inside, it's incised backwards up the valley.
Even though we tried to carry this,
We leveled from the sea at 0 metres.
This area here.
It would have been probably under the sea, but there was a 20 centimetre error, whereas the large ones from the marine environment were orientated south-east, south-west.
We're here at the airport. This is the end of the trip. One thing I like to say is great to see the students develop over,
it's been marvellous,
over the 7 days.
And Andy's my best pal.
I mean, relationships have been tested to their limits.
Absolutely.
We've enjoyed a few drinks.
No, we just arrived, remember?
No, we're just leaving.
Oh, we're just leaving, are we? Okay, right, okay.
We've had a wonderful time.
We're going to be late.
Do you think you're going to be able to edit that?